If I was starting from scratch right now, what I would do is I would launch it. If I were to open up a new location, starting that location from scratch, I would launch immediately with DoorDash integration, just to see what the market is like in the beginning. And then, I'm a believer of starting small and building up because I've done it the opposite right away. I bought a van, wrapped it. I only had 5 customers. And what happened was my expenses outweighed my profits, and I ran into that downfall. So by starting small, I think that you will grow bigger. You will do it the right way. So I think starting small would be DoorDash. And then once I've acquired, say, 10 customers, I would do it myself. Once you get to that point of doing it yourself, I think that you have access to so many more homes and apartments. I'm in Queens, and when I was going to do a pickup and delivery, I'm realized that I'm in this apartment building. There is 20 or 30 doors here. I need to get in these doors. So from there, I did a print marketing. I would recommend doing some print marketing, door hangers with specials on them. And I would go just tag all these doors. And this is beginning phase. It's a lot of legwork in the beginning. Now I no longer do that form of print marketing. I still do some print marketing. And it's called Every Door Direct Mail. And I still do that as well as online marketing. But just for the beginning phase, that's how I would do it. I would get my hands dirty, start off with DoorDash, then pivot into doing it myself, then pivot into the way I did it, paying a driver to use their car.